Venkat Subramaniam. Welcome back to the program.
Jim, it's a pleasure to talk to you as always.
It's really nice to see you again here. It's a new year. We're in 2022, a few months in almost. And there's another Java Innovations coming up. This is OracleDevLive, Java Innovations. And I see you have a session here. It's called the Elegance of Pattern Matching in Modern Java. And I'd love to hear a little bit about pattern matching, but especially tell me about the elegance bit. I'm really intrigued by that.
We programmers have to deal with this all the time. You got a set of data coming in, and based on the type of the data or the value of the data, there's an action you have to take. Well, traditionally, we've been using if and else statements to do this. And as any programmer would realize, that code becomes bloated, hard to read, hard to maintain. It's not about the effort to write it, but the effort to maintain it. You come back to read the code and you're like, oh my gosh, what's happening in here? Well, remove all that noise, all that ceremony away. What you have is a really nice template of, if this is the type of data, here's the action I want to perform. So it just lays it out in front of you so you can quickly understand the code, quickly modify the code, and be happy actually maintaining the code in the long run. That's the main essence of it. It's a beautiful feature. It's been around in a lot of different languages. I cannot tell you how happy I am to see that in Java right now.
Excellent. So the feature has been sort of emerging for the last couple of versions. Is that right?
Oh, it's a very practical approach to do it. Imagine coming to a developer and saying, here's a great idea, but it'll come there eventually, versus here's a great idea, but you can incrementally benefit from it as we release it incrementally. Better for developers because we can, use it right away in stages. Better for the engineers because they can get feedback from it, reduces the risk of development as well. And so, yeah, it's a very practical approach. And you can see the features merge together towards pattern matching, switch as an expression on one hand and pattern matching with instanceof on the other hand, and then coming together and moving forward. So yeah, absolutely incremental approach and a very pragmatic and practical approach as well.
Excellent. Okay, Oracle Developer Live, Java Innovations, March 22nd, 24th. Links below to register. We'll see you there.